Hello guys, malakas na naman daw ang ulan. Babaha na naman ang kusina namin. Hindi nakakatuwa. Yung lilipatan namin guys, sobrang liit. Pero okay na din. Pagkasyahin nila mga gamit namin. At least maayos. Tsaka mabait yung kahit ma-delay kami magbayad. I guess the time was right for us to say we'll take our time and live our lives together day by day. We'll make a wish and send it all a prayer. Read our dreams that all come true. The love that we can share.